Hey, what's up guys? Andy here, and in today's video, we're going to do a quick comparison review between ExpressVPN and Windscribe VPN. So ExpressVPN is easily one of the best VPNs out there, but Windscribe does offer some unique features and added functionality that you don't often see. But the question is it enough to make it a better choice? Well, let's dive in and see. So I kicked off this comparison by looking at the security features of each VPN. Now, Windscribe and ExpressVPN happen to be pretty similar in this area. They both have 128 and 256-bit encryption available, along with OpenVPN and IKEv2 IPsec protocols. The only difference is that ExpressVPN also offers SSTP, L2TP, and PPTP. Now, if you want to learn more about ExpressVPN, I'll go ahead and put a link to my full review in the video description area below. Now, when it comes to speed, I have to say ExpressVPN is simply the faster one. And that's because it's faster than most other VPNs that I've tested, making it more than ideal for large downloads and high quality streaming and faster browsing. Now, although Windscribe can't match ExpressVPN's speed, it's still adequate for streaming without any lags or buffering, and it can handle large downloads pretty well. Now, the next thing that I looked at was the quality of the server network. So Windscreen does have more server locations overall, but ExpressVPN has servers in more countries. So it really depends on what you're looking for. But if you're looking for a wider variety of countries, ExpressVPN offers 42 more options than Windscribe in that area. Now, in terms of customer support, I found that Windscribe, there's a lot of room for improvement. Their response is slower with email ticketing, and while they claim to offer online chat, it's really just an automated response bot that provides answers from a database. But with ExpressVPN, on the other hand, they do in fact have a live chat. They have a fast email ticketing, plus they have a large database of knowledge on their website, so you can really search for the answers that you need. So as far as ease of use, I found that with ExpressVPN, you can easily create an account and start streaming in a matter of minutes. The process is pretty straightforward and is user-friendly. And on both the mobile app and desktop, you also have the option of customizing your security protocol or leaving it to the automatically connect with the OpenVPN. Plus, on the mobile app, it includes shortcuts to apps like Netflix or Hulu, making it easy to access the streaming app of your choice. And lastly, ExpressVPN is one of the few providers to offer a fully featured VPN extension for Chrome, which is great for protecting your browser. Now, with Windscribe, their user interface is simple enough, and it doesn't take too long to get used to. Their protocol settings are automatic when you first open it up, but you can then change it in the preferences after the initial startup. And the user interface consists of a small window that displays the server location, your IP address, firewall toggle switch, a giant on-off button, and a hamburger-themed menu that allows users to adjust their preferences. You can also in there see your account details and get help, among other options. So now, I'm sure what you're all wondering about is the pricing. With Windscribe, it is a bit cheaper compared to ExpressVPN, with a starting price of $4.08 per month and can support up to 100 devices. Then when you look at ExpressVPN, it has a starting price of $6.67 per month with a support of up to 5 devices. Also, ExpressVPN gives users an extra 3 months free if you use a coupon link, which I just so happen to have linked for you in the description area below. And then I like that both VPNs offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's really no risk to give either one of these a try. So you're wondering, which VPN should you choose? Now, while Windscribe is cheaper, and is not lacking in some of the crucial areas. I have to say, ExpressVPN has simply proven to be better across the board. And ExpressVPN is consistently one of the best VPNs that I've tested so far. So it should come as no surprise that Windscribe was outmatched when I put these two through identical tests. ExpressVPN delivers blazing speed, uncompromising security, and a simple interface along with top-notch customer service. And while it may not be the cheapest compared to Windscribe, you have to remember you're getting a lot more value for your money. So if you are interested in trying out either ExpressVPN or Windscribe for yourself, I'll go ahead and include a discount link I have for both of them in the description area below so you can save some money. Now, hopefully this video was helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up as it always makes my day. And if you are a new subscriber, welcome to our cyber family. And I just ask that please don't hesitate to drop a comment or question below, as I always love getting to answer as many of these as I can. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.